Hey everybody, happy Wednesday and welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and this is Lynn's Wonderful World of Makeup and More. And in today's video, I am going to be unboxing the December-January AIA Beauty Influencers box. Want to see what's inside and see what I think about it? Stick around.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface.
Hey, welcome back. Like I said, hi, my name is Lynn, and this is Lynn's Wonderful World of Makeup and More. For those of you that are new here, welcome. On this channel, I do things like unboxings, tutorials, get ready with me, try-ons, first impressions. Every Sunday, I spotlight a creator of the week. I have Mask Mondays. I do so many different things on this channel. Pretty much anything that has to do with makeup and fun, I love to do. So if you wouldn't mind jumping over and hitting that subscribe button, and also make sure you turn on your notification bell so you get notified each and every time I upload some new content. For those of you that have come back to join me, thank you. You guys mean so much to me. You guys come back over and over again, and I swear I am amazed every single day, just like it was the first one, that you guys are still here. I love you so, so much. But in today's video, I am going to be unboxing the AIA Beauty Influencer subscription box. This is my very first time getting this box. For those of you that don't know what this box is, it is a bi-monthly subscription box. It is all one brand, an influencer, all one brand in the box. It is $34 bi-monthly. I happen to catch a deal. It's $95 if you do the 6-month, which is 3 boxes, because you get a box every other month. And they had a special going on, and it took it down to 88 something. And then I had a code, and it made my final price like 72 bucks. So it's almost as if I'm getting one of my boxes for free. So I jumped on it. So this is what the box looks like, and when you open it up, this thing is heavy, guys. I swear it's like at least 4 or 5 pounds. But that is what you see when you open the box. This month is supposed to be all hair care, which is another reason why I went ahead and tried it. You guys know how much I absolutely love my hair. So the influencer for this month is Trust Professional. I never heard of the brand before, but I went online and looked up, because it doesn't have prices on here. So I wanted you guys to be able to tell you guys how much the stuff is worth. And I'm going to smell it for you. Obviously, I'm not going to try it on. I'm not standing in the shower, but I will try all these products out, and I will let you know in my Tuesday try-ons how they work. I absolutely love good hair care. So the very first thing that I am pulling out is the Trust Professional Night Spa Serum. That is what the package looks like. I'm already loving the fact that some of these bottles have pumps on it. Makes it great for me in my hands. It says that the Night Spa Serum is 100% vegan, serum-based, high-tech organic actives, highly moisturizing, reconstruction, anti-aging, anti-frizz, softness, extra shine, protective layer to seal cuticles. Base is 100% serum, vegan. And let's see what it says about it on the card. It says the Night Spa is an innovative product that, along with Trust Infusion, will entirely revolutionize your concept of hair treatment. Trust Nighttime Spa Serum is the home care version, a light serum formula recommended for weekly application to keep hair healthy until the next salon visit. and this is $42, guys. So already, the first thing I pulled out is more than the cost of the entire box. I'm going to smell it and see. That's nice. It's not a real heavy scent. It's a real clean smell. It smells like really clean to me. It's not perfumey, it's not fruity, it's not floral. It's just a nice, pleasant scent, and it's not too heavy either. So I'm assuming that the directions are teeny tiny. At night, apply Truss Nighttime Spa Serum onto the length and tips of dry hair. Do not apply at the roots, section by section. And massage well into hair. If necessary, remove excess moisture using a blow dryer and let it sit overnight, and in the morning wash your hair as usual. So you would use this one time a week. You would put it in your hair at nighttime, the length and the tips. Do not do your root area. You let it sit overnight, and then in the morning when you get up, you wash it out like you would normally wash your hair. You do use it one time a week, and like I said, this is $42. The next item that I'm pulling out is a hair protector, gel cream daily protector, detangling, softness, and shine. This is what that looks like. Another pump. I am loving it. Hair protector, a lightweight gel cream based daily leave-in that restores hair's natural structure, detangles, and offers thermal protection from the blow dryer and flat iron, promotes nutrition, hydration, restores the natural structure of the hair, and protects the strands from external aggressions. And this is $29.40. It says leave-in spray, no rinse, restores the structure of the hair and protects from blow dryer and flat ironing. Untangling, it protects from sun damage. So that's cool. Let me see what this one smells like. I'm wondering if they're all going to have like the same scent. No, this one, if you want to know the truth, guys, it kind of reminds me of when I take my clothes fresh out, excuse me, out the dryer. Sorry, guys, I'm not feeling very well today. I'm trying to fight it to put up this video for you guys because I just got this and I have been waiting for it for so long. The next two things that I'm pulling out are a shampoo and a conditioner, and I love it because these are really nice sizes. It's not you get to do it, you wash your hair once or twice, and then you gotta figure out whether you like it or not. Like, this is like full size of everything, so I will be able to use it for a good length of time to decide how I feel about it. So first we have the shampoo, and it is everything in here is 100% vegan. It says strength, elasticity, reconstruction, protective layer to seal cuticles. It says for dry, dull, damaged hair, cleanses and treats fibers, adding intense shine, anti-aging, no artificial salts or dye, physiological pH, recommended for daily use, and you can, in its color protection. So if you have color treated hair, it is safe to use this shampoo. It says 100% vegan base for dry, dull, damaged hair, cleanses and treats pretty much what I just read. Anti-aging, no added salts or dyes, physiological pH color, recommended for daily use. And the shampoo is $25.20. And then we have the conditioner right here, and I did not smell the shampoo. Let's see what the... It to me, the shampoo and the nighttime serum smell very similar, and the conditioner has no smell at all. The conditioner, I cannot smell anything when I smell the conditioner. The conditioner is $27.60, and like I said, this is 100% vegan, based for dry, dull, damaged hair, deeply hydrates and restores the strands, covering them with a protective layer for stronger, shiny hair, anti-aging, no added dye, physiological pH, color protection, recommended for daily use. And I still have 2 more items in the box, guys. The last thing that I'm pulling out that is from the Trust Professionals, and this is the Deluxe Prime Hair Reconstructor. This is the travel size. It has a nice little pump on it. This says that, I could not find a price for this, but I saw that somewhere somebody said they found that it was $4, but it says on here free sample, not for sale, so I'm not for sure about that. But this says the Deluxe Prime Trust top selling product is a versatile protein infused spray that restores devitalized, fragile, damaged, and chemically treated hair. It detangles the hair, leaving it soft and silky. Can be used as a treatment after the shampoo and before the conditioner, or as a leave-in or as a pre-blowout lotion. So you can either use this in between your shampoo and conditioner, you can use it as a leave-in conditioner, or you can use it as a heat protectant when you're blow drying your hair. That's pretty cool. And like I said, it has a nice little pump. Oh, and it smells good. None of these have like a fruity or florally scent. It just has a nice, clean, I don't know, like it smells really, really good. And then the last thing that I'm pulling out, and this was made by the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. It is the AIA Tangled Leave-In Detangler Spray. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see what I can do to help you see that better. And that might be the best that I can do for you guys. Maybe if there you go. So that's what that looks like. It is a like liquidy, almost milk colored spray. And they said that this retails for $20. This is the AIA Tangled Leave-In Treatment, the all-in-one product that is a must-have. Tangled is a lightweight mist that conditions, enhances shine, and fights the frizz with just one mist. Like I said, this box is $34 bi-monthly, and it has guaranteed to have over $100 value. I added everything up in this box, and if I do not put anything down for this, because like I said, I could not find a price for it, and it does say free sample, my box came to $144.20. Do any of you guys get the AIA Beauty Box? If you do, how do you feel about the fact that this is the second time that I've seen that it's been an all hair care box, which I am totally down with. I absolutely love hair products. I so wish I'd have got it when they had the Guy Tang hair care products in there. I was kicking myself in the rear for not getting that one. I know some people got the regular box and then they bought some backups to have. And I've heard some people say they're going to do it with this box. I got to try it first because obviously paying another $34 for another box. Like I said, the nighttime serum is $42 by itself. So just that alone takes care of the price of the box and then some. But have you guys tried the AIA Beauty box? What do you think about it? Are you thinking about trying it? If you haven't tried it yet, do you like the fact that they do one influencer per box, and then it's not a bunch of random stuff? Do you like the fact that they do things like this where they made a total hair care box? Or would you just prefer to have straight makeup or skincare? Let me know down in the comments below. Everybody, can you please take a moment to go over and rate my video, please? Could you give me a thumbs up if you like unboxings, if you like the AIA subscription box, or hey, if you just like me, could you give me a thumbs up? It really helps my channel out. It helps me get into the algorithm and lets YouTube know that you enjoy my content. Also, if you don't like this kind of stuff, you can give me a thumbs down. It's cool. I value your opinion either way. It lets me know what to put on, what kind of content to put on here that you all enjoy. I am quite happy with this box right here. Like I said, this is my very first one, and the fact that it is hair care products is right up my alley. I am totally obsessed with good hair care products. I will obviously let you guys know in my Tuesday tryouts next week how I think this stuff is working out. And then down the line, as I use it more, I will let you all know if I think it was worth it or not. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Like I said, if you're new here, I hope you enjoyed what you saw, and you will go over and hit that subscribe button and become part of our family. We would love to have you here. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification bell, because I wouldn't want you to miss any of the wonderful content that I have coming up. That's everything I have for you guys. So until next time, stay beautiful, stay blessed. If nobody else told you, I'm going to tell you, you are loved and you are special. And until next time, love and hugs, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I